Today I want to talk to you about one of my top picks right now for coins that potentially could have explosive gains in the upcoming bull market. I actually wish I had got you guys this coin a little bit sooner, as it's already done a 3x since I bought in just a few days ago. But if it makes you feel any better, I did make this video right away and skip it to the front of the line ahead of videos I had previously filmed already. And so the name of this token is going to be Multibit, ticker MUBI. Essentially what this is an exchange or a DEX and also a swap for Bitcoin Ordinals and Bitcoin altcoins. We'll get into more about what that is in the video, but I just wanted to let you guys know right away that this video is going to be a banger. This coin is one of my top picks. Hi, my name's Kyler and you're watching BitRush Crypto. If you guys enjoy the content that you see in today's video, make sure you do sub to my channel. Click the bell on to be notified as future videos drop, as I am making multiple videos a week, at the very minimum, one cryptocurrency video per week. Also, if you guys want to chat with me, just get a little extra access, I do have a link for my Discord chat below where I go over all these projects right away. You guys wouldn't have missed out on this token if you had got in the day I bought in, as I did drop it in chat right away. And if you guys are enjoying the content, go ahead and tap on that thumbs up button. This does help out for me to get these videos out to more people just like you. And if you're interested in learning more about blockchain technology, I recently launched a course, Cryptocurrency Mastery, where you guys can learn all the fundamentals of cryptocurrency and blockchain, which will help you to become a more intelligent investor and make more gains. You guys can find that linked below for a special discount. And let's go ahead and get into the video where we're going to be covering Multibit. MUBI is the ticker on that one. So here we go. As with most of my videos, I like to start over at CoinGecko. This is where I do a majority of my research. And again, we can find this one just typing in MUBI, MUBI, whatever you want to call it. And it is Multibit is the name of it. Currently, as of the filming right now, we're at 26 cents, but this thing was up to like 36 cents just a little while ago, literally a few hours ago last night. I was able to get in under 10 cents. As I mentioned, it already did about a 3x in just a couple days since I first dropped this one in my chat. But let's come over to Max here, and you guys can see this thing is fairly new, as it did just launch here at the end of November, and it's already on an absolute rip here, going up from basically like 1 cent to the top here. We saw, it looks like, 36 cents, 36.9, basically 37 cents. So some really explosive gains here already. And the reason why is because the industry that this is in. This is going to be covering Bitcoin NFTs or Ordinals. If you guys don't know what that is, I actually recently did a blog where I covered Ordinals and how they came to be and all of that. And you guys can find that linked in the description below, or go to bit-rush. That's bit-rush there.com. And you guys can keep up with all my latest blogs and everything like that. But I do have a blog covering what Bitcoin Ordinals are in detail. The big difference, I'll just tell you guys right now, is between a traditional NFT and a Bitcoin Ordinal, which is essentially a Bitcoin, NFT. There's also Bitcoin altcoins. But basically what it is with an NFT or a non-fungible token on Ethereum or one of the other chains, generally you're going to be pointing to metadata which lives off chain. It can also be hosted on the blockchain on something like an IPFS storage, but usually there's a link and it links to that data. That data isn't actually tied to the token other than with that link. And with Ordinals, what it is they're actually written to the Satoshi. A Satoshi is a single unit of a Bitcoin. So each Satoshi will contain the metadata, or essentially what it is that Ordinal is going to be. So again, I go into that in more detail. That's just like the super simplified version, but it is an explosive industry that we're seeing right now with Bitcoin, and with the price of Bitcoin just absolutely exploding here, and the potential for an ETF and the bull run coming with the halving in April. I do think this is a big industry and something that's only going to gain more and more traction. And, essentially the more people, the more eyes on it, the more people into this type of stuff, the more need you're going to have for a tool like Multibit, which means that it's probably going to just continue to see gains. Obviously, nothing in today's video is financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and your own research and never invest more money than you can personally afford to lose. But I'm really liking this. This is going to be one of my top picks for the upcoming bull run. I did put some liquidity into it and I already doubled up my money, almost tripled it. I took out my initial investment and I still hold a smaller position, obviously, than I got in. But from here, it's 100% profit. So I'm happy I was able to get in really early here, but it's still not too late for you guys. Like I said, this one is just getting started. We don't even have a market cap yet here. But again, let's just cover what this actually is. So if we click on the website here, we can come over to multibit.exchange and you guys can see $MUBI is the ticker there, not the $, but the MUBI. And it powers Multibit's entire decentralized application ecosystem. They do have the contract address here on Ethereum if you guys want to verify that. And it is trading right now on Uniswap. And just as an example, guys, we always show you this, but if you go to markets here, you can see every single place that it is trading on. So if you guys are on an exchange, there are a couple exchanges here. You just click on that pair and it's going to open it up. But obviously, if you're a decentralized exchange type of person, which I am, I like to be decentralized, you're probably going to trade over here on Uniswap. If you want to take your investing to the next level, you need to have a solid understanding of blockchain, the technology that underpins most cryptocurrencies. With our Crypto Mastery course, you'll learn everything you need to become an educated investor. Included are 8 in-depth lessons, a one-on-one consultation, and lots of bonuses. You can find a link in the description below to claim your special discount. Back to the token though, it's a multi-bit bridge. So we're going to be able to bridge our tokens from Ethereum to Bitcoin, from Bitcoin to Ethereum. So that alone just sounds crazy. So let's read it real quick. Multibit is the first ever dual-sided bridge designed for easy cross-network transfers between BRC20 and ERC20 tokens. So BRC20 is going to be those Bitcoin altcoins I was talking about, or basically Ordinals. Through promoting unmatched liquidity for these tokens, Multibit heightens cross-chain interoperability. Our mission is simple: to foster increased liquidity and accessibility for BRC and ERC tokens in a secure and user-friendly manner. And if you click here, it will open up the bridge, which is actually live. But that's not all. If we come down here, we see a little bit more about it. Obviously, the security, user experience, and scalability. It goes into how it all works. I'm not going to get into the details, the nitty-gritty here. You guys should be doing your own research. But again, there's more to it. So if we come down to ecosystem, we see Ordinals AMM, or Automated Market Maker, and that's coming soon. So there's going to be essentially like a swap, right? Like that's what I was saying earlier, a decentralized exchange where you can swap. So that will be right here. And Ordinals farming, where potentially you can like lock up liquidity, lock up your MUBI tokens, and potentially get like drops and things like that. And we also have a stable coin. So they're bringing a stable coin called Ordi. So again, there's a lot coming within this ecosystem, and they do have documentation and tutorials. If you guys want to click the tutorials, it actually goes pretty in depth, teaching you exactly how to do all of the different things, how to connect up your wallets and get involved in the system. So really good to see something new like this, a new technology not a lot of people know about. They're doing the best they can to onboard as many people as they can and help you out. And if we come down here, we do see the bridge, we see the farm coming soon, the swap coming soon, documentation, they have their GitHub, they have a blog if you guys are into that sort of thing, and you can support them here on Telegram and Twitter, or get support from them, I should say, either way. But you guys can follow along with all of the happenings there. Let's go ahead and click on the bridge, and it's going to open up this app right here. So essentially you can go from Bitcoin to Ethereum, and you have your different assets here that you can change. If you want to go the other way, it's going to ask to connect here. Let's just connect up. We can go the other way from Ethereum to Bitcoin. So if you guys had some sort of tokens that you wanted to bridge back over onto Bitcoin, I'm not sure exactly why you'd want to do that right now. I think it's probably going to go the other way from BRC to ERC will be the main way, but you never know. As you know, Bitcoin becomes more and more popular and these BRC20 tokens take off, maybe people will be moving stuff off chain on Ethereum onto Bitcoin. Only time will tell, guys, but the technology is here. It is available. You're able to do those swaps right now. And then if we click on dashboard, we can see here that we have, you know, all of the different things that are happening here on the protocol, all of the different coins. You guys can see. And so you also have staking and farming. So again, if we click on staking, we can see the different pools that are available. Not a whole lot right now, but again, this thing is just getting started, guys. There's a lot of room for growth here. And as Bitcoin price goes up, I do imagine that we do see more and more of these things happening as more people are going to get into Bitcoin. These ordinals are going to become more popular, in my opinion. We can also farm coming soon, swap coming soon, and the vote. So it's also probably going to be a DAO, like a decentralized autonomous organization, where your tokens can actually vote to make decisions on the protocol. So very cool here. A lot of cool stuff happening. I just wanted to show you guys this. I know I'm going fast because I wanted to make this video really quick. Just blaze through this information, get it out to you guys, let you know about this opportunity here that is Multibit MUBI. Again, guys, it's already done like almost a little over 3x since I got in just like a couple days ago here, down below 10 cents, just under 10 cents here. And I do imagine that it just keeps going. You know, like I said, we don't even have a fully market cap yet. So this thing isn't even that popular yet. We can see the 24-hour trading volume, though, is in the millions, 153 million. And the total diluted valuation is only $249 million. So again, there's definitely lots of room for this thing. I think we could definitely see this as a top 100 market cap coin very, very soon. So you guys are going to want to get in quickly if you want to get in. I'm not telling you should get in or you shouldn't, but if you're going to get in, I would imagine you want to do it as soon as possible before this thing becomes even more popular. But yeah, one of my top picks here. I'm going to be holding the rest of that bag. Like I said, I'm in 100% profit at this point. Full disclosure. So I'm not trying to like shill this on you or anything like that. I literally want to make sure you guys are aware that this is out here, that this technology is happening. Again, I did a blog like probably a couple weeks ago, 2 or 3 weeks ago on Ordinals. And then I found out about this token. And I immediately just aped in, dove into it, made some quick gains, took out my profits, and now I'm 100% profit right now on this token. Looking forward to see what it has in the future here. Again, the bull run's not going to peak out for Bitcoin probably till summer of 2025. So we do have a little over a year for this thing to move and really max out on its potential. A lot of room for growth with the protocol and what they're building over there. So I'm really excited about it. I hope you guys are too. Go ahead and jump in chat. Tell me if you guys pick some of this MUBI up. I'll be continuing to do updates almost every day. I'm in there like, let's effing go. MUBI is rocking. Doing 2x, 3x, whatever. Hopefully we hit like 100x on this token. No guarantees, no promises. But if you guys do enjoy the content, I would appreciate a thumbs up. Make sure you sub to my channel so you're aware of all the future videos I drop. You need that bell on to be notified as they drop. And I'll see you guys in the next video.